kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we will be going over the greatest common factor worksheet. So the first thing we always need to do is put our name. I don't like to type it. I like to write my name, but you're welcome to type it. I guess this our title was so big that they forgot to put our name thing. So I'm just going to put it off in the upper right. If there's ever a worksheet that you ever get that doesn't have a place for your name, always put it in the upper right. Okay, now to zoom out a little bit so I can read what it says. A factor is a divisor of a number. For example, 3 and 4 are both factors of 12, meaning that 3 times 4 will get you 12. A common factor is a divisor that is shared by 2 or more numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. And as you see, between 12 and 8, 4 is shared. The greatest common factor is the largest common factor shared by the numbers. To find the greatest, we're going to have this example here. To find the greatest common factor of 32 and 40, list all the factors of each. What helps is having a multiplication chart. I have mine already attached down here for me to scroll down and look at. So what we're going to do is we're going to find 32 in the box. So unfortunately mine isn't big enough, so it didn't have 2 and 16. So you may need a bigger chart than what I have. I had a 10, so maybe you need to find a bigger one. But most factors can be found. So we have 1 times 32, that's always going to be a factor, is 1 and whatever the number is. We have 2 and 16, and 4 and 8. Over here, we have 1 and 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, and 5 times 8. So our factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. It's easy if you have them in numerical order from least to greatest. Makes it a little easier to find them. And then we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. And as you can see, if we go find the biggest one, let's see, the greatest common factor, the biggest one they have in common is 8. So we're going to do the same thing here. So our first step, list all the factors. So to find them in a multiplication chart, what you're going to do is you're not going to look at the top or the left. If your multiplication chart looks like this, you're not going to look off to the sides. What you're going to do is you're going to look in the middle. So I can see that I have an 8 here, so it's 1 and 8. I have an 8 here, so I have 2 and 4. Another 8, but that's also 2 and 4, so they're the same. And this is 8 and 1, so those are the same. So my factors for 8 are 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Put a comma so I know it's not 18, it's 1 and 8. For 12, scrolling back down, I obviously know 1 and 12. Here's 1, 6 and 2, 3 and 4. It's another 6 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that looks like it's it. Once I keep seeing the same ones over and over again, I know that's it. Because 3 and 4 and 4 and 3 are the same. And then we got 2 and 6. Now I'm going to write the common factors they have together. Well, I see they both have 1. Nope, not 8. They both have 2. And they both have 4. The biggest one they have together, well, it's going to be 4. Okay, next one. We have 6 and 18. Now, I can go down here, look for 6, there's 6, and there's 6, and then 18, well, there's 18, that's 18, and then 1 and 18. So, what I end up getting is 1 and 6, 2 and 3, then 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. Oh, not 36, 3 and 6. Common ones, obviously it's 1. They both have 6, both have 2, and they both have 3. Now the biggest of them all is 6. And you would do that for every single one. And list all the factors you can find. Knowing that 1 in itself is always going to be kind of like your first go-to. And then looking at what they have in common. And then writing them down. And then finding your biggest one. If you want, you're welcome to be like, okay, well, we have 1 and 6. Okay, nope, no 18. Oh, we got 2. Nope, no 9. Oh, we have 3. And then we have 6. So that's one way you can do it. Crossing out, circling, however you want in order to make it easier for you to find common factors. And then remembering, if you want to put them in order from least to greatest so it's easy to find the biggest one. It's all up to you. The best way I find factors is through a multiplication chart, hence why I have one right here. I just copied and pasted it right in here. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video helped, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!